Hey guys, welcome to the Midwest, home of the locusts. Just thought I'd send you some footage, a little bit of audio as well, what you're missing out on. Cute little creatures have infiltrated our lovely towns, at least for the next couple weeks, and these things are noisy. They're all over the place. As you can see, yummy. Thought I'd share that with you. The noise is deafening. There's one. You can hear that bad boy. Anyway, look what you're missing out on. Come on. Only this thing would focus. Where is it at? There you go. Yummy. Alright, I'll send a few your way. There you go. Woo.